and welcome once again to my Disney Dream Vlogs. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what were our favorite ride and attraction and least favorite ride and attraction in our very first Walt Disney World trip back in September 2016. So if you want to know, stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to be talking about our favorite and least favorite ride or attraction. So, just to let you know, this is, in case you don't know, this is based on our first 2016 Disney World trip, and I'm only basing it on that experience. I'm not saying that this is the best or the worst of Disney overall. This is just based on our experience. So I'm relying only on that and giving my personal experience and take on it. So if you want to watch it, let's go on. Also did a video last week. If you want to see it, click up here. It's about what I believe was our favorite and least favorite dining from our vacation back in 2016. Like I said, it'll be up here if you want to go view it. Just click it and let's get started officially. It was hard to narrow these down for my favorite, so I did two. I cheated and I had to pick two, but I'll save that till the end. And let's start with the bad and end with the good. Now, for my least favorite, I don't know, this might be on many people's list of least favorite. Let me know if it coincides with yours, but my least favorite ride or attraction was, can you guess? Lilo's, no, not Lilo, poor Lilo, Stitch's Great Escape. I was confused, honestly. I've seen the vlogs of previous people and I've seen like the reviews, but I still was very confused. I thought people were exaggerating. I thought maybe they were being too cruel to poor Stitch. So I'm like, let me go in there and test it out for myself. There was no exaggeration. There was, nobody was being too cruel. I just didn't like it. I felt really confused. I'm like, what is going on? It was dark. It was way too long for my liking. I'm like, really, can we just get this over with? Like, when is this gonna end? I have other rides I want to go on. Like, I wish that I could have just taken off that little harness, which, what was the point of the harness? I was expecting the room to turn, for something to happen, and then stuff started flapping around my head, and I didn't even smell anything, honestly. Like, I don't know if my area where it was supposed to, the scent was supposed to come, or something was supposed, I don't know. Listen, I was confused throughout that whole ride attraction. I did not know what was happening. My daughter said she smelled something. I didn't smell anything. I just didn't like it. I didn't see the point of it. That's the one thing I wished I wouldn't have wasted time on. Thank goodness I did not use a fast pass. You don't need a fast pass for it. So yeah, that was my least favorite. Moving on to happier times. My favorite ride or attraction, like I said, I cheated. I could not pick one, honestly. I had to pick two. And I'll start with one of the favorites, and this was like my family's favorite, especially my husband, was Sauron. We loved Sauron in Epcot. My husband specifically, he loved Sauron. I mean, to the point where he even got a little bit teary-eyed. Who would have known? He asked to ride it several times, and even at times without a fast pass. We waited for about an hour. That much he liked Sauron, and we all liked it. It was just beautiful. I did enjoy it a lot. A quick tip to get the best seat is to ask for the top center, and that way you get the best viewing. That's what we did. We did not get any obstruction of view. It was the best image. It was just so beautiful. I loved it. I didn't get to experience the older version, so I have nothing to compare it to, but the version that we got, we just loved that experience, and that's something that we're going to be doing every single trip several times. I guarantee. Second favorite attraction And this is one that has always been my favorite because I've done it even in Disneyland, which that's one I've gone to since I was a child. Can you guess? Splash Mountain. That, and I'm so happy to say that was also my daughter's favorite. Splash Mountain is my favorite for so many reasons. The theming, the song, the zippity-doo-dah. Oh my gosh, that just brings so much joy every time I hear that song. Like, you'll find me during my day singing it out of the blue, and it just, like, it's on my Disney playlist on Spotify. It's just beautiful. And the ride length, it's like one of the longest rides and on Disney World, I think. If I'm mistaken, let me know. But it's just so fun, and the theming and just everything, and then you get a little bit of a thrill. It's relaxing. You get a break from the heat and the views as you're going down, and you get a little bit of a nice mix between indoors and outdoors. It's just beautiful. We rode that ride so many times when we were at Magic Kingdom, and we rode it during the day, we rode it during the night. Specifically, our last theme park day was at Magic Kingdom, and during the night there was no line at all. Like, we got on it as soon as we got off. We would get on it. There was no line. I believe we got on it for like 5 times straight in a row. We just love it. Like, that goes my award to one of the best rides ever. Let me know if that happens to be one of your favorite down below. Tell me why you like it, and tell me which one's your least favorite too, and if it happens to be Stitch, let me know down below. So this is it for my favorite and least favorite ride or attraction. Just to let you know, in this little mini series that I'm doing, the future videos include what was my favorite and least favorite show at Disney World. Also, the next video after that is the least favorite and favorite character interaction. If you didn't watch the video before, go ahead and watch it. Like I said, I linked it before. It is about our favorite and least favorite dining experiences at Disney World. So that would be the whole series. So stay tuned for those. Subscribe so you don't miss out. So click the subscribe button down below and that little bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. But thanks so much for watching. Please, I invite you to click the like video if you are enjoying my videos. Comment, because I love reading your comments and replying to them. Let me know if you guys have vlogs. I love meeting new vloggers and watching your guys' videos. And just thanks so much for all of your guys' kind comments, all of your support, and just the Disney community is the best. You guys are the best, friendliest, amazing people. I have another channel. I don't know if you guys are aware. It's mostly a Spanish beauty related channel. I do nails, which by the way brings me to another topic. I know this is like kind of side, but I wanted to know if you guys are interested in me bringing some Disney related nail designs, especially for, like, I don't know, ladies or guys that like nails and want to get their nails done for their Disney vacations or for their everyday, you know, Disney loving fun. If you would want for me to bring some nail ideas, I mostly do acrylic and gel nails on my other channel, but if you guys wouldn't mind, or if you guys want me to incorporate some nail designs here on this channel that are Disney inspired, let me know, and I would be so happy to once in a while do nail DIYs here. So comment that below if you want me to do that. But anyways, this video has gone way too long for the outro. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and like I always say, keep Disney dreaming. Bye!